Alright, in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how to be a profitable trader in 2023. How to make a lot of money this year. For being a good trader, you need the best trading strategy, and this strategy, that's what you need. You make low risk and high reward, and you can have a highest winning rate by this trading strategy. In this strategy consists of 5 components. 1. Fractal analysis. 2. Cycle analysis. 3. Symmetry. And 4. Sequencing. Moreover, 5. Zero-sum game. Finally, to be a good trader, you must first recognize market cycles easily, and then trade based on the cycle you are in. Well, now we have to explain the chart.
Okay, here we have a complete cycle or a complete hook, so we can open a line trade because this trade have low risk and high reward. And to determine the target of this trade, we can use the symmetry of legs.
As you can see, this strategy is very simple and extremely profitable because you can get the most profit with the least risk. And you just need to know the market cycle to make money. And when you know the market cycle, you can make your own trades and grow your account very easily.
And this is my last trade today.
Finally, thank you for watching this video, and I'm waiting for your questions in the comment section.